Kindergarten. Sentences. Sentences. A sentence tells us who is doing what. A sentence has a noun, a verb, and a punctuation mark. Here are some sentences. My dog runs. I ride my bike. The cat jumps. My mom bakes. My dad reads. Each sentence has a noun, a verb, and a punctuation mark. Nouns. A sentence has a noun. A noun can be a person. She sings. A noun can be a thing. The apple is red. A noun can be a place. My house is big. A noun can be an animal. The fish swims. Each sentence has a noun, a verb, and a punctuation mark. Verbs. A sentence has a verb. A verb is an action word. I run. The doll sits. Dad cuts the tree. The duck swims. Each sentence has a noun, a verb, and a punctuation mark. Punctuation marks. A punctuation mark shows the end of a sentence. There are 3 ways to end a sentence: a period, a question mark, and an exclamation point. Punctuation marks. Period. Period. A period comes at the end of a sentence. The book is good. My bike is red. The house is big. Punctuation marks. Question mark. Question mark. To ask a question, end the sentence with a question mark. Who is that girl? What is that? When can we ride our bikes? Punctuation marks. Exclamation mark. Exclamation point. To tell about something that is exciting, end the sentence with an exclamation point. She runs fast. He jumps high. She throws the ball fast. Rules to make a sentence. These are the rules to make a sentence. 1. Start the sentence with a capital letter. My bike is green. The duck swims. 2. Put spaces between words in a sentence. I ride. I ride. We sing. The dog barks. 3. Put a punctuation mark at the end of each sentence. The boy runs fast. Do you have a new doll? The cow is brown and white. Making a sentence. 1. We start with a noun like cat. 2. The first word of the sentence must be capitalized. The. 3. There is a space between each word. The cat. 4. Add a verb. The cat jumps. 5. The sentence ends with a punctuation mark, a period. The cat jumps. The sentence is done. We made our first sentence.